What happens when you take a humble family runaround and turn it into a fire-breathing rally monster? You get the Mitsubishi Evolution, or Evo, as the world knows it. A car so wild, so untamed, that it became a legend both on the road and the track. But this isn't just about fast cars, it's about the people who pushed them to their limits. From quarter-mile kings to rally champions, Evos have been at the centre of some of the craziest automotive stories ever told. Today, we're diving into the world of nutters in Evos. Strap in, because this ride is going to be fast, furious, and full of surprises. Let's start with one of the most insane feats ever achieved in an Evo. A nutter took a car designed for rally stages and turned it into a quarter-mile monster. The world's fastest Evo was tuned to an eye-watering 1,700 horsepower, blasting down the strip in just 7.9 seconds. That's faster than some hypercars, and it's still street legal. This is engineering madness. Here's a curveball for you. Mitsubishi once built an Evo estate, a family wagon with all the rally-bred power under the hood. It looked like something you'd take to pick up groceries, but don't be fooled. This thing packed the same punch as its sedan sibling. Only 2,500 were ever made, making it one of the rarest Evos out there. Imagine pulling up to soccer practice in one of these beasts. Talk about making an entrance. In the 1990s, Mitsubishi dominated the World Rally Championship, with drivers like Richard Burns and Freddie Loix behind the wheel. But here's a fun fact. Their rally cars weren't badged as Evos. They were called Charisma GTs instead. Why? It was all about marketing in Europe. But make no mistake, these were Evos through and through. With their turbocharged engines and legendary four-wheel drive systems, they tore up rally stages around the globe.
Rally Art, the sporting wing of Mitsubishi, are only going to make 50 of these muscle-bound monsters, so if you want one, you're going to have to get your skates on. It'll be competing with the BMW M Coupe and the Porsche Boxster, so it better be good. The Extreme outguns the standard car in every category. The BHP is up to a staggering 350, whilst the weight is down by 165 pounds. So if you know your Evos, you won't be shocked when I tell you that this will do 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. That's supercar territory. It's just fantastic.
Let's take a step back from the cars themselves and look at Mitsubishi as a brand. Did you know that Mitsubishi is a combination of 2 Japanese words? Mitsu, meaning 3, and Hishi, meaning water chestnut. Together, they symbolize the iconic diamond logo we all recognize today, a mark of precision and reliability. And then there's the legendary 4G63 engine, famous for its insane tuning potential. But here's something most people don't know. Its first appearance wasn't in an Evo. This engine laid the foundation for what would become one of the most celebrated motors in automotive history. So why do Evos inspire such madness? Is it their rally pedigree, their insane tuning potential? Or maybe it's just that perfect mix of practicality and performance? A car you can drive every day, but also take to the track on weekends. Whatever it is, one thing is clear. Evos attract nutters, the kind of people who see limits not as barriers, but as challenges to overcome. And honestly, that's what makes them so special. From record-breaking quarter miles to rare collector models, Mitsubishi Evos have done it all, and then some. They've been family wagons, rally champions, and engineering marvels that continue to push boundaries long after production ended. So here's our question for you. What's your favorite Evo story? Is it about speed, rarity, or maybe just pure nostalgia for one of the greatest performance cars ever made? Let us know. We'd love to hear your thoughts.